Communication is important in our life nowadays. Without it, the information cannot be shared with others. The main keyword in communication is sending and receiving message. It can be formed into formal and informal communication. There are many ways to transmit the information from one to another. However, communication it also have barriers in transmitting the information. You will learn in detail in this topic.
Also, communication is vital for expressing needs, sharing ideas, and solving problems in all aspects of life. It builds relationship, fosters understanding, and promotes efficient collaboration, ultimately contributing to success in personal relationship, education, and the workplace. Effective communication can also prevent conflicts, reduce misunderstanding, and improve productivity. So here are some example of communication in workplace.
Hi, ikaw si Mark, tama?
Opo, ang bagong empleyado dito sa inyo.
Welcome ka dito and masaya kaming nandito ka. Gusto ko lang ipaalala na dito sa trabaho, maalagang maayos na pagkikipag-usap.
Opo, Ma'am Nicole, gagawin ko po ang aking best.
Si Kurt nga pala ang magiging trainer mo.
Hello.
Habang nag-a-adjust ka pa lang.
Hello, ako nga pala si Kurt, ang yung trainer dito sa iyong bagong work. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you po. Medyo kinakabahan lang po ako.
Normal lang yan kapag ganyan sa bagong trabaho. Normal lang makabahan.
Pero gawin natin yung best.
Yes. So Mark, dahil bago ka dito, ito yung logbook natin. Dito mo ilalagay yung mga daily report, may oras, pangalan at status.
So paano naman po yung remarks part?
Ay, good question yan. Diyan mo ilalagay kung may special note, gaya ng late ang delivery or waiting for approval.
Sige po, medyo mahaba lang po yung kaya nandito po ako. Pasensya na po.
Oo, okay lang yan. Pero masasanay ka rin, huwag kang matakot magtanong. Mas okay na magtanong kaysa sa magkamali.
Oo nga po. Pero gusto ko talaga po matutunan yung mga ginagawa sa workplace.
Yeah, sure.
Mark, review lang natin. May ilang bahagi sa report mo kahapon no lang.
Ay, sorry po. Akala ko po okay na po yun eh. Nahiya na po kasi ako magtanong sa inyo ulit eh.
Kung huwag kang mahiya, mas mabuti ng mas malinaw yung usapan para hindi po tayo magkakaproblema sa output natin.
Sige po. Hi, sir.
Sorry rin, ma'am. Dapat chinek ko rin yung report bago ko i-submit.
Okay lang, learning moment. Ito ang mahalaga. Natututo tayo.
Ay, sige po ma'am. Next time po magtatanong lang po ako para wala na pong buto.
Oh, ayan. Mas okay na ngayon, may improvement na. At mas nagtatanong ka na, nice.
Opo nga eh. Ngayon ko lang na-realize na hindi na ako nahihiyang magtanong sa inyo. And sa mga other natin kasama. Pero ngayon nag-improve na talaga ako.
Yes. Correct, mas gusto pa nga ng mga boss natin yan. Na nag-uusap tayo kaysa tahimik, pero mali na pala.
Oo.
Diba?
Dapat talaga nagtatanong tayo.
Yes.
Happy ako sa progress mo, Mark, and salamat sa naging guidance mo, Kurt.
Walang anuman, ma'am. Mas nagiging madali ang trabaho dahil nagiginig si Mark.
Opo, salamat po sa inyong dalawa. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo po, hindi po ako mag-i-improve na parang naka-strict lang po ako sa isang pwesto. Hindi ako nakikipag-usap sa iba. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi ako mag-i-improve sa life.
Mabuti yan. Ipagpatuloy nyo lang yan. Lagi nyo tandaan na wala namang perfecto na empleyado, pero mas magiging maayos ang ating trabaho sa tamang pagkikipagkomunikasyon.
Opo ma'am, thank you.
Ako, ma'am, thank you din po.
Salamat.
Kung may hindi alam, huwag matakot magsalita.
Kung kailangan may linawin, sabihin agad.
At kung gusto mong gumanda ang takbo ng trabaho, makipag-usap ng malinaw, maagap at may respeto.
Tamang usapan
at
maayos na trabaho.
Kamusta ka naman sa workplace?
Chok ako. Kasi dami naman customer. Diba? Sa front office ko. Ikaw naman sa house.
Sa housekeeping naman,
kailangan mo ipakita yung how you endorse your hotel facilities as well. Bago sila pumasok sa hotel natin, di ba? Kailangan natin ipakita yung ganda ng hotel natin, di ba?
Sayang nga, magkaiba yung ano natin, department.
Pero I hope soon magkasama tayo sa department.
Iba pa rin kasi yung ano, yung kapag sa trabaho, yung pakikipag-communicate. Para yun yung susi, para maging magaan lahat ng trabaho. Para maiwasan din yung mga toxic, yung mga ganun, yung mga chismis na hindi naman totoo.
Okay, para maiwasan yung misunderstanding sa each other.
Tsaka yung emotion ng bawat isa is importante talaga. So, kailangan is makipag-communication talaga tayo para mas magaan palalo ang trabaho.
Para hindi na sisira yung isa't isa, diba? Para matagalan natin yung araw-araw iba't isa.
Talking and checking in with coworkers from other department help build good relationship, share ideas, and create a friendly and supportive workplace. It shows that good communication is important even if people do different kinds of work.
Excuse,
Yes, ma'am. How can I help you?
bakit ganyan? Di ba strawberry to? Parang hindi ko nalalasan yung strawberry. More on sugar talaga siya.
We apologize kung saan nasali, ma'am. Siguro po hindi ko na itanong ang aming barista na yung sugar level niyo po. I hope po na in the next future po na pupunta po kayo dito, maayos at ma-resolve po yung concern niyo po. At idadalhin namin po niya sa manager po namin para makausap niyo po barista. Para sa mga next customer po ay may tanong din yung mga dapat din po sa...
Medyo na-disappoint lang ako kasi this is my first time na mag-dining dito, pero ganito yung nangyari. So, sana next time is mabago na, and then sana is nagiging aral to sa inyo.
Okay, thank you po for your honest review po. We appreciate it na your concern will be back to our supervisor.
Handle complaints quickly and respectfully. If a customer complains, listen carefully and solve the problem right away. Apologizing and offering a fix shows respect and professionalism. Quick action prevents bigger issues and keep the customer happy.
Ma'am, order niyo po.
Say the drink's name when serving. When handing out drinks, always say the name of the drink. This avoids confusion and helps ensure the customer gets the right order. It also shows professionalism and supports better teamwork.
Gusto ko lang po sanang paalam.
Inform your supervisor early when you need to time off. Let your supervisor or manager know in advance if you can't come to work. Clear communication like this help the team to adjust the schedule and avoid unnecessary stress.
Good afternoon, team. Thank you for all being here on time and looking sharp. Everyone's in full uniform and I appreciate that. Today we're expecting around 40 guests for the lunch service. We have a mix of walk-ins and a reservation for a party of 10 at 12:30 p.m. So be prepared to handle a steady flow. Our special today is grilled lemon, herb chicken with buttered vegetables, and mashed potatoes. That's on top of our regular menu. Please make sure you mention it when you offer the menu to guests. The kitchen has confirmed we have everything prepped and ready. A couple of key reminders. Let's be mindful of our service flow. Greet guests with a smile. guide them to their seats, and offer the menu promptly. Serve food from the right, clear from the left, refill water glasses regularly, and check in during the meal without interrupting conversation. If you see anything that needs attention, spills, delays, guest concern, communicate with each other and with me right away. We also have a guest with a nut allergy at table 4, so please make sure to double check the orders and inform the kitchen. Lastly, let's work as a team, help each other on the floor, and if someone in the weeds, jump in. The goal is smooth service and happy guests. Any questions before we begin? Okay, alright, let's stay sharp, stay professional, and make today's service a success. Let's do this. Good luck, everyone.
Ha? Ano ito sabi ni ma'am? Di ko siya gets. Listen during briefing and ask questions. Briefing are important. They give updates and assign tasks. Always listen carefully and ask if something is unclear. Good communication during briefing leads to fewer mistakes and better teamwork.
Mark, ito yung kita natin for today. Tapos, kompleto na yung pera dito. Sige. Tapos, lahat ng resibo, nandyan na. Tapos, yung check-in for today, ito na lang yung natitira. Isa na lang. Okay, sir na lang. Hintayin mo na lang siya.
Okay.
So, daddy, thank you.
Give proper shift handover. When your shift ends, give clear updates to the next person. Let them know what's been done and what still needs to attention. A proper handover keeps the workflow smooth and shows strong communication skill.